So right now, this is the layout that you see. So over here, you can see that as I were to click, you can see the email preview over here on the right hand side. And this is in because it's in a certain layout. If I were to go around over here under layout, then you can see that I get the ribbon right here. So this is the simplified version of the ribbon, but you can go around and change it into classic version right here. So you got more like in Microsoft Office feel, as you can see right here. It is larger. You can go around over here and change it out into a newer ribbon right here as well. So you can go for simplified ribbon as well. Apart from that, you got the folder pane right here. As you can see, you can show or hide it out on the left side right here. As you can see, folder pane, show or hide. You can also go around over here onto folder pane and hide the favorite section as well, or show out the favorite section over here on the top. Then you got the reading pane right here, which shows up on the right, or you can go around and show it at the bottom right here, as you can see. So as I were to click, you can see that the email shows up at the bottom. Or altogether, you can go around and hide up the reading pane as well, so you just see the emails right here, as you can see as well. But I'm just going to go around and turn it back as it was right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the layout option inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.